Hello everyone, I'm KK Wong from Thomson CPA & Co. In this video, we are going to talk about the accounting services provided by our company. We can provide clients with accounting service with computerized accounting software. So, based on the financial statement prepared by our company, the management of the company can grab the solid and more value-added information about the company financial position, such as how much will be the trade receivable remains at the financial year end, how much will be the trade receivable, and it is possible to have any bad debt expenses happen at the year end date. What is the entire turnover for the entire financial year, and also what is the gross profit margin ratio for this company in this industry or sector compared to the other company. Based on the financial statement prepared by our company, the management of the company can review it and have a deep understanding about the financial position of the company, and can, based on this, to make a smart decision to make sure that the company can be run on a going concern assumption. In this sense, the company is assumed to have a profitable and to be run in the foreseeable future. Similarly, if the company is in going concern approach, the financial statement shows a net current assets and also is able to generate profit for the entire year. Okay. They based on profitability ratio, liquidity ratio, and debt to equity ratio. To be precise, now in terms of profitability ratio, we define two formulas. First one is gross profit ratio. What does it mean? It is the ratio by gross profit divided by total sales. The next one is the net profit margin ratio. What does it mean? It is the formula set by net profit for the whole year is divided by total turnover for the year. Let's move on to the liquidity ratio. What does it mean? At this moment, we have to we have two terms to be divided. The first one is the current ratio. It is divided as total current asset over total liability. If the figure is to show a positive figure, it means that total amount of current asset exceeds total current liability. In this sense, the company have a sufficient positive working capital to run the business. The second term is we so-called as working capital. What does it mean? Working capital is a total. So working capital is defined as total amount of current asset less total amount of current liability. If the result shows a positive figure, the company has sufficient positive cash flow or working capital to run the business for daily use. In addition, the third terms we have to discuss is the so-called return to equity ratio. What does it mean? This term is defined as total debt of the total debt divided by the total equity of the company. All of above terms are the summary for the management to know about the financial condition of the company and operation. Besides, we also help clients to run the business in a more effective way, such as business consultancy services, tax planning and saving services, and even more professional strategy audit and company formation to clients. Okay, in the near future, if you are interested in our service, please feel free to contact us. We feel welcome to provide professional service to clients. For next topics, we are going to talk about the strategy audit and tax planning services in depth. Thank you for watching, and please also subscribe our channel and continue support our company. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.